All right, let's do a.
It's gonna be a landing where we're
Let's do a crazy man takeoff.
Yeah. All right.
We're doing a crazy man high performance takeoff.
Oh, I was like, what the hell just happened?
Whoa. The hell? That's so much of a waste of tires.
God, I remember I was walking home from school in the sky, stepped on the pedal hard. Ooh, it stunk so bad.
It doesn't smell good. That's definitely the kind of car that would do that.
Imagine how happy the lady over there is.
That's a fake 442 too, because it's automatic.
Imagine how happy the lady over there is about.
All right, taking off. Flying like an idiot. Right into the sun.
It's just the stock FMS 80.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I know. It's the setup to have.
That shooting range must not be too far.
No, it's right there.
Up the hill?
Yeah, you can see the trees.
Yeah. Big gun. Is it those like straight trees up there?
Yeah. Oh God, that's huge. Whatever that was.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It's probably the evening old guys with their big stuff.
Well, the guy who runs it came over here,
Huh?
and the guy who runs it came over here and talked to us last week.
What was he talking about?
They just wanted to see the planes.
Oh.
You could see them from over there.
I saw the Havoc and was like, Jesus Christ.
That's what it was.
The Havoc?
Yeah, he saw that big old. No, it wasn't the Havoc. It was something else big.
Oh, is it a turbine?
Yeah. It's just a generic looking sport jet. Like, it looks like a $20 toy that you buy at Walmart.
Right, but it's
like
just
the way that it kind of looks and the way that the paint job is. But it's just this massive thing, and it just flies. I mean,
amazing.
But I mean, the way it looks like it flies amazing.
Yeah, it's the super low wing loading, so you can get away with a lot of stuff.
You cool if I take off?
Go ahead.
Are you
I'm almost
flying
done.
Counterclockwise?
I'm doing the usual way, right to I'm taking off left to right.
Okay.
Because the wind's shifted. Right after you take off, I'm probably going to land.
Okay.
So go ahead. It's in the air in a few feet.
Yeah, I still have a little too much expo, but...
Gear down.
All right, I'm coming in.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Whoa, that was huge.
1. Time expired.
Whoa, hello. There we go. Yeah, this is cool weather. So much easier to see now. Well, for me anyway. Get a pass of your from your venom. One bothering you? That's below half.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it's a lot more stable at higher throttle, but
It's cool flying around like that.
yeah. It's just got enough thrust that it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I don't want one of these.
I do too. Well, this? I want that. I like that one.
This looks like it flies pretty good.
You still have an FMS fan at home?
Yeah, but I plan to get that for the L39.
Oh, L39, okay. Woo! That thing's got power.
Yep. Man, when you pour on the throttle, I need like it needs a compensation for the amount of throw.
Okay.
Ooh.
But I think that's kind of the deal with this plane is that it's just a big kind of.
Wow, look at that Virga. Cool stuff. That's the perfect motor for that plane because it's an
Yeah, I'm digging
excess power.